Okay, wow, okay, I am. Okay, guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I thank you for traveling with me this far. I'm here again with another video, and I'm cooking curry goat this time. This is curry goat meat, some call it mutton, yes. And I'm going to top it up. And also, with the finishing, I'm going to do ram it up. Yes, and here I have my dry season over here. I have a tropical season here, and I have garlic over here. I have whole bay, and I have my dash. And you know you can't cook goat without curry. So here is a curry. Okay, and in this little container here, I have black pepper and salt. Over here I have my scallion and my thyme, a piece of ginger, my garlic, my pepper, my onion, and you can't cook goat without scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so I already wash my meat already. I wash it, and I'm going to just season it up. Okay, first I'm going to put the dry season. I'm going to put a teaspoon of all my seasoning seed, a teaspoon. Okay, and this is a 2.5 pounds of goat meat. And this is my black pepper, pimento seed, and a touch of salt. Okay, just put it here, and there come my curry. Yeah, I'm gonna put two tablespoons, teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my season, put on it. Okay, I'm gonna put all these things I wash already. Okay, all right. I'm gonna cut my scallion. Okay, I'm gonna get it. I'm going to put the whole pepper. You don't have to put the whole pepper when you're cooking if you don't want. But my husband loves pepper. So you don't have to cook all the pepper if you don't want. Okay? I just put this in my... Smells so good and it's not cooked yet. For around 10-20 minutes before I start. In the meanwhile, I'm going to do my coconut. I just love use coconut to cook goat meat. Okay, I'm going to put my coconut in my blender. I'm going to throw some water on it. Okay, my pot is on the fire. I'm going to put a little oil. I finished with my coconut juice, so I'm going to put a little oil in my pot to start my curry goat. Not much. Ooh. With the garlic. Okay, then I add my goat. soup. Smells so nice. Put a little water. Okay, wow. Look at my pot on the fire, man. Oh, this goat looks so nice. Look, so nice. And I have a pot behind here. I'm gonna cook a cup of rice. Yes, a cup of rice I'm gonna cook. And 2-finger banana over here in this pot. So stay tuned, okay? I give my goat some time, let it cook, and my stuff to simmer down. Okay. Okay, in the hey, oh my gosh, this looking nice. Look, you see how tender it is? Yes. So I'm gonna and my ramito. Okay? And my ramito. Tender and nice, all right? I give it a 10 more minutes and then ready to heat. And over here, my rice is ready. Also my green banana. Okay. Wow, wow. Okay, I am done. I am done. Looking so good. Ozzy?
Yes, darling.
Come and get something to eat.
Coming, my dear. Looking so nice. Let us get a taste of it now. Darling, this food is so nice. It's so tasty. Oh Lord, I tell you, guys, you wish to be here. Thank God for my wife. She's the best cook in the whole wide world. Darling, I love their food.
Okay, guys, that's my finishing touch. My husband eating. But please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Just tell a friend. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.